प्रो यार
जी भर के देख लीजिए
खराब गई है
ये रात हो रात नहीं रात wonderful wonderful this is I think just an incredible family atmosphere also that's happened there Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? You know, who really surprised you?
See, I think all of them are fantastic and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2 and we were there and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2 and she was not well as well. And then after she breaking her leg, she still shot with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me.
You are
Younger me means yesterday coming.
But you had a very tough time as well also. You know, it's a lot of the times when you have an action hero image also.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going.
You'll eat. Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it.
One second, please.
Do that again.
Okay.
Yeah, one more.
That's your shot.
We should get everyone to do it.
Now the paps are happy. It works. We'll do that in the end. वो ऐसा photo करेंगे. Yes, but yeah.
Hi guys, so sorry. Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and what did you ask me again?
Just the last 2 years of the run, are you just every Friday everyone's nervous and you're walking with 500 CR each time, not 50.
Listen, that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, like the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because like I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry, but watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, like I think for this film is the first time sir called me and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started, but it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with the scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
It's worked so wonderfully well. You know, and congratulations on this.